Hey guys, my name is Max and welcome to Dignitas Cars. On Dignitas Cars it's all about cars in a straight line performance. We do 100 to 200 tests as well as top speed runs on the German Autobahn. If you like this and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. And on this special episode it's again about the Ford Focus 1.0 EcoBoost, which we had last time. Last time we answered the question if we can hit the 200 mark and test the car from 100 to 200. And on this special episode it's about high quality fuel, if it affects the performance from 100 to 200 or not. So stay tuned.
System 100. Proceed to test.
Okay.
System 100. Proceed to test.
Okay, so we hit the 200 mark again. This time it was slightly going uphill, as you can see on the picture, and we were faster. So I would recommend you to use high quality fuel in your car, at least when you are having the 1.0 EcoBoost engine from Ford. It makes sense to use it. It's not a waste of money and it increases your performance a lot. Speaking of performance, how happy are you with my performance here? If you have any improvement ideas, please let me know in the comments down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so, and see you next time. Bye.